You know that song you do a song, so it's kind of an old song you do sometimes.
Yeah.
And it's about something like a bell in it's
About what?
I play that. It's song that we'll play the bow.
Yeah.
I think it's about a bell, something's bell ringing or.
Ringing a bell.
Yeah. No?
Oh, when that bell, I can tell how I feel when that bell starts to ring.
It's a blues.
When that bell starts to
no,
peal. Yeah.
no, it's a blues song you do. It's like you've been doing it recently. You haven't done it before.
Oh, I know that one. Yeah.
What's it go?
Church bell.
That's it. Yeah.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have to do the whole one. We don't
You
have
ever played this song before?
Yeah, I've played it before, but I've
Yeah. He likes it.
It's a new one. It's a relatively new one anyway.
Can try it.
Okay.
All them church bells are ringing, the secretary's singing, the preacher's preaching. Can't you hear the sister shout? Children in the pulpit, mama trying to learn my song. That dirty deacon done stole my girl. My older brother said he had 'em, my sister had 'em, my auntie had 'em, mama died with 'em. Woke up this morning, family had them weary blues. Put my head around the corner, David had 'em too. All right, Daddy. You better stop, you good girl, from tickling under my chin. You gotta go home one morning, find you can't come in. All right, bass solo, get it over to Stephen. Come on now, this is for folks home. Oh yeah. Okay. Well. I know you want to do. She's gonna make up my dime bed.